The State Railway of Thailand, notorious for its slow trains and beyond vintage facilities, has unveiled 114 new air-conditioned sleeping cars in the hope of attracting more first and second-class passengers. The new express trains can go as fast as 120 kilometers per hour, cutting travel time by 90 to 180 minutes. The sleepers have swanky restrooms and spacious seats for the disabled, as well as touchscreen monitor for watching movies, a Wi-Fi service, and USB charging sockets. But travelers will have to wait a little while for this new comfort, as they will not be put in service until next year. Initially, a few routes from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, Ubon Ratchathani, Nong Khai, and Hat Yai